were talking also to an economist the other day, ang sabi po niya ay pwedeng magkaroon ng epekto ito sa behavior ng ating mga consumers. Kayo po ba sa inyong industriya, napapansin niyo na po ba na may pagbabago? Nababawasan po ba yung mga mamimili ngayon?
Nagtitipid. Kasi even before this crisis, no, sa Middle East, no,
Oo.
meron ng, since September last year, yung investigation on corruption, no, sa
Oo.
flood control projects, no, medyo may certain, hovering uncertainty, no, among business people and among consumers, no. So consumer confidence and business confidence was already down since last year, end of last quarter of last year, no. Tapos inat pa tong, Middle East crisis, no, energy problems, no, increase in price of energy, no, cost of energy. Ito pang pagsabog pa ni Mayon, no, nakasama ito. And of course, the effects, no, which brought down the power of the peso, no, versus the dollar.
Oh. Okay. So Steven, when we were talking to Brian rin, sabi niya, yung mga big manufacturers, hindi pa sila masyado gumagalaw ng kanilang mga presyo. Pero sabi niya, once na lift yan, baka tumaas daw yung mga produkto ng 25 to 35 or even 40%. Do you see this coming? Do you see that they will be able to jack up their prices that big? Tapos, paano kaya yun? Kung yari dati ang sardinas, 15 pesos, kung 25% yun, edi mga additional 2 pesos or 2.50, magiging 17.50. Kakayanin ba ng consumer? Hindi naman ang taas ng sweldo ng sahod.
I don't see that coming. Kasi, kasi business people are prudent as well as, tacticians yan, no?
Yeah.
Kumbaga, kapag ganun kalaki, tinaas mo, mawawala ka ng merkado, mapupunta sa kalaban. Pinaghirapan mo yung market share mo, no? So normally, they'll just go in tranches. They'll start with a few of their items, those siguro prime, no? Selling to the people na hindi problema ang pera.
Yeah.
And then the bigger sizes also, no? And then yung smaller ones, no? Yung pangmasa, and yung brands na pangmasa, later on, konti-konti. Siguro 2% lang, kung kailangan nila 25%. Hindi, ganun lang muna. Ganun lang muna. And then later on, pahabol na lang. So they'll have stretch that. They'll have to stretch their computations. Kailan natin mababawi yung losses natin during this time na nagtataas ang presyo ang cost of operations.